hate it when you don't have your beauty blender watered. I'll be right back. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela and today I am bringing you not a full face just because I did grab a few things, but I got most of the stuff of Hudabeauty. So I wanted to do a series of like kind of like full face of one brand tutorials, but like mostly the stuff that I have. Yeah, so I did pick up a few things from Hudabeauty, and then I had most of the other stuff. So I picked up her foundation, I picked up her loose powder, and I picked up like 2 of the Power Bullet matte lipsticks, and then I had as well, I had her neon palettes, her Tantour, and her Desert Dusks palette. The only thing I really don't have of hers is the concealer, and is that really, I think that's, oh, and her primer. I didn't pick up the primer or the concealer. It's the only things I kind of don't have, or her highlighters. Totally forgot about her highlighters, my bad. But yeah, I don't have any of that. I don't even know if she has a blush. So yeah, I'm only just doing what I've got and testing out, yeah, what she has. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know, YouTube's doing its thing and you don't see my videos when they upload, so please hit that bell so you can see them. And I'll also leave my Instagram and Twitter tag, and if you want to follow me on Snapchat, all up in this grill here. Come and follow me on Instagram. I post every day. Yeah, I've been loving Instagram. So I don't really know what look I want to go with, but what I do need to do is fill in these brows. So I might just fill them in and then figure out what we want to do. Okay. So I have her Desert Dusk palette, which is really pretty. Like, it's got some really nice shades in there. Or I just recently got her neon palettes, and I think I really want to try the neon pink. I know I just did a pink look, but this is so pretty. So I thought, oh, I could try that out and do something like really cool. But what I will do is I will take her Desert Dusk palette and just take this shade, which is called Desert Sand, and I'm just going to take a fluffy E40 brush and just put that all over the lids to set my concealer. So I might just take these 2 shades and see what I create. just applied some lashes, my Ardell 812s, my favorite. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Something really easy, didn't want to go too like cray. So I just did like a simple halo eye, just using the neon palette like I showed you. I actually used this one in the crease, and I added a touch of this one down here in the crease, these in the outer and inner corner, and I just used this beautiful shade up here in the middle, and I just applied my lashes and a little black liner. Now we can go on to the face. So for face, I just applied a primer because I don't have her primer. But for foundation, I have her Hudabeauty Faux Filter Foundation. I've never actually tried this one. I got the shade Shortbread. I'm thinking because I'm tan, it might be a little bit too light. But because this is a thick concealer, foundation, I wanted to go in something with a little bit of hydration. So we'll see how this one goes. I'm going to apply with my beauty blender, so that will sheer it out a lot. It's got a weird smell to it. I don't know what the smell is. So I can definitely tell this is way too light, but I can bronze it up, which is good. This is probably better for me when I'm not tan. Actually, I might go in with my brush. This is really like thick. I feel like it's really drying. Yeah, I might just go in with a little bit of my avian spray and really get that. Like, this is a thick. Oh, so thick. Like, this would be glam makeup. Now see how it goes, building a bit of coverage. I don't know what this smells like. It's really highly fragranced. I will say you really need a hydrating primer underneath this. So that is the foundation on. Yes, I know it's not my right shade. It's probably going to be good for me when I don't have a tan. But I will say that this, I can already see it going into my, like my smile lines. But yeah, it is like a really thick consistency. I'm more of a luminous, not like a matte kind of person, but yeah, looking in the mirror at the moment, like, I just have to probably really set this down. But yeah, I do have her Tantour bronzer. I do got the shade Light, so that will deepen me up a bit with this shade. I also got a new brush to try it with. I got an angled kabuki brush by Sigma. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm not really used to like cream contouring, but it looks alright. Looks quite nice. I need to keep practicing on cream contouring just because like I'm not the best cream contourer. Now she does have a setting powder. She does have a concealer as well, but I didn't actually pick up her concealer. But I picked up her setting powder. So this is the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. Now I got the shade Sugar Cookie because I really didn't know what shade to get. So yeah. So that's what that looks like. And Sugar Cookie. I'm really excited. I've heard like great things about this setting powder. Like again, it is highly fragrant. If you can hear my partner in the background, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just going to bake underneath my eyes. I'm feeling like Kim Kardashian right now with like her highly highlighted face. Now I'm just gonna wipe away that bake. I will say my face does look really airbrushed with that powder. Like I actually don't mind that powder. It looks really nice. I just did bronze up my face a little with just a powder. She doesn't have a, I like to set my cream bronzer. She doesn't have a bronzer, I don't think, like a powdered bronzer. So I just bronzed up my skin a little. So I'm just gonna finish up my eyes with this palette. I'm probably just gonna take this shade in the corner. We're gonna find anything that I want. And then with a shader brush, I'm going to take the pink shade and just run that through and smooth that out that lower lash line. Well then, I didn't clean this brush, did I? I hate my life right now. So I had a little bit of a mishap happen, but I just took that shade and ran it all under my lash line and kind of smoked it out with that color as well. And then I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take this, either this purple or that color in my inner corner. Now I'm going to take her, so her Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Staycation. So this is kind of like a nude color. Now she doesn't have a lip liner, so I'm just going to quickly line my lips. So I'm just going to go in with Huda Beauty's Staycation, which looks like a really matte brown. It's probably not going to suit, but we'll see. Wow, I like the formula of these. They feel really creamy, really creamy. I'm just gonna spray my face a little because I do feel a little bit dry. So this is the finished look. I really enjoyed a few of her products. Like, I'll have to test out her her foundation, but I do like this lipstick's really nice, feels really nice. I do love the neon palette. They are very pigmented and very beautiful. As well, her cream bronzer, I just got to keep testing out. Like, I do like it. It is really nice. What else did I use of her? Oh, and the setting powder. I actually really like the setting powder. It looks very smooth on my skin. With the foundation, like, if you do love full coverage foundation, I do recommend putting a hydrating primer underneath, just because it is so thick. But definitely I could see myself wearing this out, not as an everyday, but more like if I want full glam, I would wear this, just because I do feel like my skin does look really nice. Just like I can kind of see a little bit of my laugh lines, but that's with anything. I get really bad laugh lines just here, which I can see them at the moment. But yeah, this is what the final look looks like. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye.